Grand awakening, Aquarius, my air babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance, prosperity, and magic all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to this page. It's been a blessing to you. Check out my LinkTree. Link is in the bio. I have some great services there for you. Book a massage with me. Check out the ebooks, the music, the NFTs. Great products are over there. Your word of the day is release. What do you need to release from your aura? Is it anger, pain, resentment? Is it your greatness? Is it being worried if you are ready? Release whatever is in your aura that does not serve where you're going. You're in a great place. You've come too far to stop right now. So release those things that are weighing you down, because once you release things, you're making room for the blessings and positive things that you actually want in your life. So empty out the boat, empty out your bag so you can fill it up with the goodies. I stopped fighting my fears and hardships of life. I control my thoughts, live in the present moment, and accept each stage of life. I work on what I have the power over. I put into God's hands what I cannot change. I trust that everything will work out for the best, which it always does. We love you, Aquarius. We look up to you. You're one of the examples of greatness in how you teach. You're one of the greatest teachers and examples of how to navigate this life and how to level up. Continue to do so. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.